storm, how beautiful and majestic it would have been. It still is today. Thanks.
It's a lot of good stuff.
Thank you. You know I'm filming. So we're walking up to the Menkaure pyramid, and this is the good example of the puffy stonework that is just like we found all around the world. It has the what we call knobs, but
it does look so much like the Peruvian alleys. Even with those knobs that kind of come out from the stone, it makes you think they were like molded. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I mean
so this is the polygonal stonework, and it has knobs just like the other. And this again is Menkaure pyramid, and then the Great Pyramid and Khafre over there. So from this is quite amazing. It seems like wherever you're gonna find the puffy sort of stonework like this, you're gonna find the knobs, and of course the knobs are here. We see them right down over there. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm just gonna do a walkover to show you from the side. And the ones that I'm pointing at right there, they are pretty large. They're not sticking out quite as far as some of the other ones, but I'll show you the different sort of angles. And the fact that these are here just shows the technological advancement that the ancient Egyptians had, or the proto-Egyptians. We don't really know, maybe lost civilization, but we just generalize that it is that. But these amazingly similar to the other sites that we've seen. I'm sorry about the jerkiness. It's a little bit windy today. And so here, right in front, you see the two round here. But even over here in the middle, so that it doesn't really look like it's knobs, but there's some very large protrusions. And then also over here, you have the lines, the cuttings of it here. So if I come up here, I'm going to show you the working of the stone that we see everywhere. Stonehenge, fallen pillars, which I've done videos about before, were there as well. But I'll show you the deepness in just a minute. Actually brought a measuring tape so I could show you how thick some of it is on the inside. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to angle this down, and you can see just how puffy some of these are. And so I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to find a spot, and I'm going to show inside for you some of the, just a random example of the deepness of the puffiness in between. So this is just one example. It's not irregular deepness. So we have it here. We have about 4.5 inches. And knobs galore. And this is the outer dressing stone. And again, this is Menkaure's pyramid. So I'm going to walk over here and show you again. All of the group are down there looking at this as well. But here at the bottom, actually what I want you to focus on, along this bottom layer, you can see by the lady there in the black, these larger protrusions are actually the knobs as well. People don't recognize it. I'm not talking about the ones like right in front of us. I'll just sort of walk up over to it to show you. And this is what I'm talking about when I'm going right here. So this is the area right there that I'm speaking about, which is very amazing. It's quite large. So I'm going to walk over here. And
Piles over here, then those were the okay.
And there's no uniformity here. It's all irregular, and just show you another random deepness. So we're just going to come over here and put this to the very back, and I'm not even touching, so that's 7 or 8 inches in. So this is how it is here. You see the puffiness, you see all of this, and it is, we could just take away the rest of it and be at Peru, even Turkey. We wouldn't even know the difference if it wasn't for the rest of the Menkaure. All right. And I'm over here on the other side as well, and we see right here where Jemhotep is standing, it becomes flat, and that's the entranceway with that stairwell that we would go inside of Menkaure Pyramid, which I have done. And so here's just another little separate knob here. And there's no rhyme or reason for the deepness or the inside of these. We don't know. Nobody knows. They had some function. But for us, at this time, we can only speculate. So like right here, is an example again. So the deepness varies between each. So this is 9, but it would be in deeper.
And these knob-like intrusions here, even if it's a something to help rope up and move the stones, it's exactly the same as Peru.
So we can see
it's
a little bit inside.
independent development building techniques. So you could say it's just, the same group of builders can be attributed to the construction. Atlantean gods, fish gods, and hybrids, of course.
So
we have periods of globalization and then periods of, I don't know what you want to call it, feudalism, isolation. Some people say now we might be moving away from globalization back to, more nationalistic.
all right, so you can tell the difference, but right along the top here,
And then you had,
along the ladder up there, we have a whole lot of smaller other knobs. My camera is doing a bit of funny stuff, so I have to shut this off for a moment. Sorry guys. And again, this is Menkaure Pyramid, and this is November 2019. And it's just amazing. And
say it doesn't exist.
there we go.
Yeah, it's kind of silly because it's like anyone, if they could build this, they could sail across an ocean.
Of course they could.
You know what I mean?
But the other thing, we always say, follow the money.
Yeah.
So if you've got you had to have economic prosperity. What was it, Third Dynasty when this was done, or whatever, to build this stuff? Just a poor backwater wouldn't do this.
No.
And when you have that, that means you've got businesses, you've got trade, you've got all kinds.